Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Big Ben, and today we're going to talk about how you can actually make money in 2019, because I know some of you guys have been losing a lot of money last year in 2018. Your portfolio is probably down, what, 80-90% right now. So let's talk about, how you can actually, better your situation and make more money, okay? Number one, you guys really have to, or you can't be average thinkers, okay? You can't think average, guys. You have to understand that the professionals are playing a different game, okay? Most of you guys think that everything is going to be okay, the bull market is going to be tomorrow. That's an average thinker, okay? You're doing things based on hope, wish. It's nothing. It's no facts backing up anything, okay? Number two, you really have to get out of your comfort zone. Okay, those are two things you need to work on, guys. Stop being an average thinker and get out your comfort zone, because if you are in your comfort zone right now, you cannot grow. You can't grow. So get out your comfort zone. Understand that you can't make money in your comfort zone. Just think about it, all right? Your comfort zone right now, if it was the best, you guys would be on a different level. You'll be on a beach somewhere, relaxing, not worrying about work, okay? Not worrying about your 9 to 5, okay? You'll be working for yourself. So stop thinking that you know it all. You don't. You have to get outside your comfort zone. That's the only way you're going to be successful, because you can't be successful being the guy that you are right now. Okay, now, most people thought I was talking negative last year. And because I was telling people that we were in the bear market, okay, way before anybody was saying about talking about that. And also I was telling people, hey man, it looks like we're going to continue to go down, okay. And the reason why they thought I was talking negative is because these are average thinkers, okay. Once you line yourself up with professionals and understand how professionals think and act, you're not going to think the same, guys. You're not going to be an average thinker. These guys don't realize that I wasn't talking negative. I was actually being positive, because I was showing people how to make money in this current condition, right? In this situation when the market was going down. And also, I was saving people a lot of money, okay? That's positive. That's not negative at all. So, guys, for 2019, if you want to be successful, you have to copy successful people, successful investors, successful traders. Okay, that's the only way. You can't do things on your own. You can't follow the herd. Okay, you see that your favorite YouTuber been wrong last year. The whole year they've been wrong. They've been telling you to buy the dips. They've been saying the moon is coming soon. They said the bulls is coming soon. Okay, they've been wrong the whole year, okay? And they're going to be wrong this year too. They're going to make less content. They're going to leave. Most of these guys are going to either leave the platform, and you see it's going on right now. They're going to leave the platform, or they're going to make less content, because these are guys they don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're talking about, because they don't do this full time. I do this full time, guys, okay? I average at least 1K to 5K a day trading the financial markets, okay? I'm the make money now guy. That's all I care about, is making money now, okay? Because I understand the rich. These guys are making money now. They're not sitting on their butt waiting for the bull market to come. No. So let's talk about the 6 things you need to work on, guys, in 2019, so you could this year could be a better year, because there's no reason why a year should pass by, okay, and you're not making any money, okay. 2018, it's gone, guys. It's done. You can't get it back. We can't press rewind or do anything like that, okay. It's gone. Most of you guys didn't make any money last year. I don't want you guys to go through another year where you ain't make no money. Stop acting like everything is going to be okay. The bull market, stop it. So this is the first thing you need to work on, Okay, first thing you need to work on is you have to figure out if you are a long-term investor or a short-term investor. Okay, because I believe most people are confused. Most people think they are long-term investors, and I'm here to tell you that you are not. I can guarantee you. Because the reason why I say that is because I can tell when I tell people the market looks like it's going down. It looks like we're going to continue to go down lower and lower, lower and lower. These guys get upset. They get pissed off. They get mad, right? There's no reason why a long-term holder of a coin or a stock should get mad if someone talks bad about their stock or their coin. The reason why is because it's a long-term hold. Most of you guys are not long-term holders, okay? Most of you guys think that long-term means 3 to 5 years. No, guys, that's not long-term at all, okay? Long-term should be 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Most of you guys are not even near that. Like, you're not even close to that, okay? So most of you guys are short-term investors. And guess what? I don't blame you because I'm a short-term investor. Me personally, I don't have time to be wishing and hoping for anything. Okay. I want my money now. Give it to me now because I worked hard for it. So that's the rich is doing it. So why, if the rich is doing it, why I can't do it? Okay. So you guys really have to understand. Okay. Let me show you a quick example. Okay. Let me ask you a question real quick. Do you want to be this guy right here that you bought at 3,000, okay? And it goes all the way to the top and it goes right back down to 3,000 and you're stuck and you don't know what's going to go on. I mean, what's going to happen next and you're waiting for that bull market? Or do you want to be a guy that understand how, everything works and you buy, all right? You bought this dip right here, okay? You sold a little bit right here. You bought more dip, right? You bought a dip right here. You sold right here. It dipped down some more. You bought, you sold, you sold. You keep on selling and buying the dips. And then when it drops like this, you sell a lot, okay? And then when it comes back up, you can buy the dip some more. And then when it slams right back down, then you can say, you know what? I don't like this price action. Let me get out of this situation. You sell your position and you just wait, okay? And then when you see the market acting real bearish, you can say, you know what? I don't want to be a bull right now. Let's go short. You can short the market, short right here, short right here. Market goes up, short right here, short right here, short right here. The markets continue to go down. You short, you short, you short, you short, you short because that's the trend. The trend is going down. Meanwhile, you made so much money because you understand how the market works, right? Meanwhile, this person right here on the left, he bought and he's holding through this mess, right? And he's at zero because he didn't make any money. Meanwhile, you made money right here because you sold, you took profits right here, you took profits right here, you took profits right here, profits, and you got out, right? And then you start shorting, you took profits, you took profits right here, you took profit right here. Now it look like the market's going down more, so you're going to take more profits. Don't you guys understand that we are playing a different game? Which guy do you want to be? Okay? Number 2, okay? Another thing you have to learn is, guys, how to read the charts. Okay, you have to learn in 2019. You have to learn how to read the charts. Okay, if you don't know how to read the charts right now, stop looking at this video. Go learn. I don't care if you go to the library. I don't care where you learn it from. Go learn how to read the charts, guys. Please. 2019 is a different year. Learn how to read the charts because the people that made money last year were the swing traders. Okay, the swing traders made money last year. Okay, that's it. It wasn't the buy and hold investors, none of that stuff. So don't make another year go by where you just waiting, hoping, and wishing. Meanwhile, guys like me making money right now. Okay? Technical analysis work, trust me, and stop thinking that it doesn't work. Okay? It works lovely. I love it. Okay? It works real good in the crypto world. Okay? Look how sweet this trend line is working. Every time it hit it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time it hit it, it's reacted to it. Technical analysis work. Stop thinking that it doesn't work in crypto market. Okay. Number 3 you have to work on is create a system, guys. You have to create a system. Okay. When to enter, when to exit. Okay, poor people rely on news. They rely on their memory. They rely on other people to save them. Poor people are not organized. Okay, poor people they do random things. Okay, if do random things, guess what, guys? You're gonna get random results. Okay, this is why most people are poor and they will always lose because they are not prepared. You have to be organized, so you have to create a system. You have to. There's no other way. These big businesses, that's why they are very successful. They have systems in place. Even the government has systems in place. Okay, everything that's successful has a system. The school has a system. Anything you could think of has a system. You have to have a system. You can't rely on your memory, guys. Okay, and you have to have a proven system. Proven system. Okay, not just any system. Number 4. Another thing you have to work on in 2019 is your system has to be recession proof, guys. It can't be a regular system. Most of these guys in the crypto world, all they know how to do is buy. That's it. That's not a recession proof system. Okay, your system has to be recession proof, meaning that when we are in a recession where we are right now, okay, your system has to be able to generate money in a recession. Okay, you can't just be that guy that just buy and wait because this could be this bear year or this bear market right now could be the worst bear market in the crypto market in the crypto world, okay, or in the history. Okay, right now I'm not even thinking right now, so I can't even think, but it could be the worst bear market that we ever saw, period. Okay, it could last 8 to 10 years. So your guys is waiting on the sidelines thinking everything's gonna be okay. Meanwhile, most of these coins most likely gonna go to zero. Okay, now you have to have a system in place where you can make money both ways. These banks and these guys that you look up to, this is what these guys are making money no matter what, if it's going up or going down. Okay, this is how the rich guys are doing it, and you need to follow the rich. Copy the rich, guys. There's nothing wrong with copying people. Number 5, okay, don't set goals. Okay, don't set goals for 2019. What I want you to do, instead of setting goals, I want you to create good habits and follow your system. Okay, I know this sounds weird, but don't worry about if it sounds weird or not, because remember, most of you guys are not successful. You don't know, you don't understand how it works. You don't even understand how to be successful. So a lot of stuff that I talk about is going to sound weird because you're not successful yet. Okay, don't set any goals for this year. What you want to do is you want to create a system that works, and you focus on that system. Focus on mastering that system, because once you focus on mastering that system, the money's going to come automatically. Okay, forget about goals. Goals is not going to put money in your pocket. It's the system that's going to put money in your pocket. All right, number 6, the last thing you need to do. Okay, you need to learn, you need to practice, and you need to improve. Okay, you need to work on that in 2019. Learn. Stop being lazy, because most these moon boys, these buy and hold guys, all they do is buy and hold, and they do nothing else. They don't try to learn. They don't try to do anything to improve themselves. They don't do anything, guys. So you have to learn, continue to learn, always practice, always take action, because the guys that made money in 2018, those are guys that took action. Okay, take action, improve. If you make mistakes, improve. Okay. Learn from your mistakes and repeat the process. Okay. The more you practice, the better you will get, and the more money you can actually make, guys. Michael Jordan didn't become Michael Jordan overnight. He practiced his butt off. Okay. Tuck your ego inside and stop thinking that you know it all. Okay. Because, guys, let me show you something. It boils down to this. How bad do you want it? Okay? While you guys are out watching TV, I'm studying the charts, guys. I'm studying the charts. While you guys are playing video games, guess what I'm doing, guys? I'm studying the charts. Okay? While you guys are out partying, guess what I'm doing, guys? I'm studying the charts. Now do you see the difference? Do you see the difference why I'm able to make 1K to 5K a day? How bad do you want it, guys? How bad do you want it? I hope you guys have a great 2019. I want you guys to grow, always improve. Okay, thanks for subscribing. We had a great 2018. Shout out to all my subscribers. I love all you guys. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe right now. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.